Hello, Tractor Pong, Part 3. When I was creating this program, I was trying to do a variation of Pong, and I thought, well, what is the most ridiculous thing that you could have in a Pong game? And I just thought of a tractor. It's just a little bit of overkill for a little ping pong ball. But then I decided, why not, kick a soccer ball around for Pong? Regardless, we need to have some randomization going on here. Without randomization, everything is very, very boring. So from the random library, we're going to import randint. That can give us a random integer. Well, let's go down to the tractor Pong. Everything is here is the same. We're setting our candles, our clocks, converting things to alpha, all that kind of stuff. We're getting a rect around our ball. We're setting the ball location. Now there is where we're using our randomization. Whoa, this is a lot going on here, isn't it? Well, randint works like this. When you point your mouse at it, it says, at least in Visual Studio Code, in the docstring it says return random integer in range A through B, including both endpoints. Interestingly, every programming language seems to have a different take on whether it includes both, or it includes the first, or it includes the last. Python does it from the beginning to the end. So we don't want to materialize our ball. We want to materialize our ball at least 20 pixels in from the left and 20 pixels in from the right. So our width is how wide our game playing field is. Minus 20 brings us in 20 from the other side. We set that to our x coordinate. And I just picked 10 for the y. I could have picked a random anything, but I didn't want it, getting too random there. The next piece, we need to set the ball direction. Well, again, our friend, random integer. It's either going to go left or it's going to go right. So I'm getting a random integer inclusive between 0 and 1 for my ball direction, left and right. If it equals to 0, I am going to go positive to the right. If it's not, which there are only two choices, it's either 0 or 1, I could use an LF and test specifically for 1, but I don't need to. So if I set my speed to minus 3, I move from right to left 3 pixels at a time. Alright, so now we have our ball. XY location is random, and the XY direction is random. Well, that makes it a little more challenging, which is the idea. Now, we need to update the ball, which is going to be down in our game loop. We're still doing checking events and all that, so we can exit the game. There we are. So we're going to move the ball position every frame. So this would be the current left-right x-axis. We're going to add, just say that we're going from left to right, we'd add 3. If this happened to be going right to left, we'd subtract 3 and accumulate that over here, and the ball will move to that new position. We're using the rect x and the rect y to move our ball around. Same thing here. The speed is actually how much it's going to move. Each time we move it, this moves it. Now we're drawing the ball on the surface. Well, we clear the surface out first, then we draw the ball, and then we update our display so that we can see everything. Well, let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, there's no game quite like Tractor Pong except, uh-oh, where did my ball go? Well, that means we need to fix that in our next episode of Tractor Pong.